everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Big news for all you e-reader fans out there. Remember back in September when Amazon unveiled its new lineup of Kindle Scribe e-readers? Well, the wait is finally over for two of them as of today. The brand new Kindle Scribe Colorsoft and the monochrome Kindle Scribe with front light are officially available to buy. I just got my review units, and I am super excited to dive in and put them through their paces over the next few days. Now, let's talk about the elephant in the room, the price. These new devices aren't exactly cheap. The monochrome Scribe with a front light starts at $500, which is $100 more than the 2024 model. And if you want that beautiful color display, the Kindle Scribe Colorsoft will set you back $630 for the 32 gigabytes version. Bumping that up to 64 gigabytes will cost you an extra $50. It is interesting to note that this pricing puts it in direct competition with the remarkable Paper Pro Color tablet. So, what are you getting for that extra cash? Amazon has packed in some pretty significant upgrades. First off, the screen is now a larger 11 inches, up from 10.2, but it's housed in a similarly sized body. How did they do it? By shrinking the bezels. The display itself has been completely redesigned with a new mini LED lighting system that promises more uniform brightness. The new scribes are also slimmer at just 5.4 millimeters and lighter, weighing in at 400 grams compared to the previous models for 130. Under the hood, a new custom MediaTek processor is supposed to deliver a 40% performance boost. One quick heads up. Though, unlike the Kindle Paperwhite, these new scribes are not waterproof. So you'll want to be careful around the pool or bathtub. The entry-level scribe without a front light is still listed as coming soon, with an expected arrival in early 2026 for $430. Now, if you've been following Kindle news, you might remember an issue with the smaller Kindle Colorsoft that launched last year. Some users reported a faint yellow tint or banding along the edges of the screen, especially when the front light was on. Amazon paused shipping for a bit to fix the problem and replace the affected units. It seems that issue was related to the display's design. The good news is that Amazon says the new, more advanced display stack in the Kindle Scribe Colorsoft should eliminate this problem entirely. Naturally, the very first thing I did after unboxing the new Kindle Scribe Colorsoft was to check for that yellow tint. I'm happy to report that I couldn't see any. I cranked the front light all the way up, set the color to vivid, and examined the screen closely. It looks clean and uniform. I usually keep the warmth setting around a 7 or 8, which is on the cooler, whiter side of the spectrum, and even then, it looks great. So, it seems like Amazon has really addressed that concern, which is a huge relief for anyone considering the color model. So, what exactly did Amazon upgrade? Let's break it down. They've introduced a new front light system with miniaturized LEDs. These are packed tightly against the display, which allows for those narrower bezels and more even lighting across the screen. They've also added a new texture-molded glass. This is designed to improve the friction when you're writing with the pen, making it feel more natural. And speaking of writing, they've re-engineered the display stack to reduce the parallax that adds the small gap between the pen tip and the ink on the screen to almost nothing. The goal is to make it feel like you're writing directly on a piece of paper. Finally, that new MediaTek chip, combined with more memory and new display technology, is all about making the entire experience feel snappier and more responsive. From turning pages to jotting down notes, I'm going to be spending a lot more time with both of these new scribes over the next few days. I'll be testing the writing experience, the display quality in different lighting conditions, battery life, and overall performance to see if these upgrades truly justify the premium price tag. I'll compare the new color screen to the previous generation and to other competitors on the market. I am really curious to see if that 40% performance boost is something you can actually feel in day-to-day use. Is the writing experience truly like pen on paper? And is the color vibrant enough for reading comics and magazines? These are all questions I'll be answering in my full, in-depth review. So, make sure you're subscribed and have notifications turned on so you don't miss it. I'll have a complete hands-on review coming your way very soon. What are your initial thoughts on these new Kindle Scribes? Is the price a deal breaker, or are the new features enough to tempt you? Let me know down in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.